guys, it's Danielle with Bo Peeps Bonnets. In today's video, I want to show you how to switch needle sizes when working in the round. So today we're going to switch from US 13 needles to US 15 needles, just as my pattern says. So I've come to the end of this round, and all I'm going to do is remove my stitch marker. I'm going to take my 15 circular needles in my right hand, and I'm going to be using this needle now instead of my US 13 right hand needle. So go ahead and insert that into your left needle and just start using that needle instead. So the 15 now turns into your working needle, and this 13 over here is just holding all your stitches still. So you'll just keep knitting, and you might need to push your stitches from these 13 right hand needle down so you don't lose them, and just knit all around. Pretty soon you'll come to the end of this round and you'll have switched needle sizes. So here we are at the last stitch of the round, so I'll just knit that final one, and you'll see that now the US 13s have come completely off the work. So it's as simple as that. Put your stitch marker back onto your work, and you're ready to continue with your pattern. Alright guys, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you have a great day and happy knitting. Bye!